and we are loud, and we are different, and we go against the grain of a typical company.
Helping others succeed before yourself is something that we are big on here. Going above and beyond. I think a lot of people think they need to have a title to lead, when in reality, I think their actions create them being a leader sometimes. And having each other's backs, I think, is key. If you're worried about the next promotion, there's career paths that take you 10 years to get to the next spot, right? Well, here, it shouldn't be about that. It shouldn't be about the title. It shouldn't be about what the next promotion is or who passed me by, who didn't pass me by. It's, what are you helping the team with? What value are you bringing to the team, regardless if you're in the same position or not? We don't move people around for our health. We move people around because we think they could be more valuable there, or they fit the mold to be in that area. And that's why we make those decisions. And we want them to excel. I don't want to put people in an area where they're going to fail. I don't want to put people in an area where just because they've been here for 2 years, well, we have to give them that, that position. When reality is they might fail there. Like, why would we do that? We don't want to set people up for failure. We want to set people up for success.